The candlestick looks really good. The wood is actually an offcut of the table I made out of a worktop. So I didn't bother showing you how I made that because you can look at the video. So it's solid oak and it does actually look really good. So there you go. Simple spindle turning, but it looks really effective and it's more of an ornamental piece. So now it's actually for Steve at Temple Boyd Turn-Ins actually is doing the auction at the moment, and it's for a really good cause. You've got let me just refresh. The first is Curing Friends campaign. It's been set up for Brandon Summerlin and his family in Canada. He's had a double lung bypass. He's had a double lung transplant, and obviously it's not cheap, and it actually has incurred some debt. So hopefully this auction will actually help raise some money towards the costs. The other thing is for is cystic fibrosis. Now this is actually to help donate some money towards that. The money is actually being split half and half. So the auction started on the 1st. I know it's now Tuesday, so go over to templeboydturnins.com and go and register to be a bidder, and there's some amazing things that people have made. So the auction is till the 7th, so go ahead, go over and give your support, because it's a really great cause. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't, give us a thumbs down. Hopefully I'll be back to normal soon, but this was a really good cause, so I thought I'd kind of get involved. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Ta-da.